guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Lulu again, and I am back with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my ring light and my little ass phone. I bought this little small phone. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. For those that are subscribed, and for those that are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I hope that's good enough, and I hope you guys can get me actually. Yeah, so I'm going to be starting with the phone. So that's it. Really guys, don't laugh at me, like I needed this. Oh, so it's actually cute. I like it. Look, and it's red, whatever. Yeah, and the box comes with, oops, it comes with a battery and this weird ass charger. Like I haven't seen such a charger in a long time. So I'm just going to put the battery in and let this phone charge, because I guess that's what you're supposed to do when you get the phone, huh? You let it charge. And I was expecting to buy any headsets, like you know how phones come with headsets? Yeah, but this one didn't. Yeah, I feel, was that supposed to come out, guys? Well, it did. I feel betrayed. Those people removed my headsets. Alright, so that's great. Now I am going to be unboxing the ring light, and let's get, oh, and it comes with a tripod. So it's a ring light and a tripod. This is even way longer than me. Ow. That hurts. So this thing was on promotion, guys. I was like, I won't leave this in this shop, and I actually don't remember what happens, like how they, oh, okay, I think I do. I'm like, this is very clumsy press, and I'm scared of doing stuff, but yeah, this is it. You can make it more long, you can make it more short. So yeah, and I think I'll just open this in advance because I'm going to be connecting the ring light. Yeah, this is perfect. Then we have the ring lights. This is our ring light. And made in China. Like, this is how clumsy I am, guys. Ish. This is how I'm always dropping everything. I'll be back. Like, I literally drop everything in anything. Okay. Looks like this huge box of pizza. I'm just going to show you guys whatever is going on here, and I guess this is the part where you fix your phone and everything. And here's the ring light. So huge. Like, I've always wanted a ring light that comes with a tripod, and finally I have one. So I guess we can have better lighting, because my room doesn't have the best lighting. So finally have a ring light. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to fix it. Alright guys, so I'm going to, let me just connect this. Alright. Okay. That works. So now I can make a TikTok. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.